Hey Shane, if they don't have those coffee socks available in Ireland, here's that option you can do where you can cut out your own out of a regular coffee filter. So you just get this coffee filter, put it on your countertop, flatten it out, and then get that disc cap from the aeropress and get a black magic marker and start tracing around on that coffee filter. Just trace that disc to make some circles. So, spread it out so you can get as many circles as possible on the filter to get your best use out of it. And once you've traced all those circles, just grab a set of scissors and you can just start cutting those out. I was able to get, four filters on, or four discs on one coffee filter. So see if you can beat that record, I guess. And then just, cut away. Yep, I got four. And then you just stack them up in that holder that came with the aeropress, and you're good to go. Call with questions.